Hello, this is Dr. Hui Liu from San Jose, California, United States. My email is ibridgepy@gmail.com. IBridgePy is an easy-to-use Python platform to help traders to build algorithm trading robots. It can backtest and live trade with interactive brokers, Robinhood, and TD Ameritrade. You can download IBridgePy from www.ibridgepy.com. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel because more tutorials are coming. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about the request historical data from interactive brokers, but other than Forex and US equities. If you are interested in request historical data of Forex and US equities, please subscribe to the YouTube channel of IBridgePy and check out the related tutorials. So in this tutorial, I'm going to talk about request the building method in IBridgePy is called request historical data. However, if you have learned how to use request historical data method, you will find out the core part to request historical data other than Forex and US equity is to use a built-in method called super symbol. You can use super symbol to define any securities or commodities supported by interactive brokers. Before we talk about super symbol, you need to purchase the real-time package from interactive brokers. What you need to do is log into your interactive broker account web page and then click settings, click user settings, and then you will be prompted to go to this page. Under the tab of trading platform, there's one item called market data subscriptions. You need to click the config button, this one. Then you will be prompted to this page. This page shows you what kind of subscriptions you have. You can see in my account I have NYSE America, this one, and US mutual funds with a few free items. Then what you need to do is click this config button to purchase the historical data package you need. If you are not sure what kind of real-time market data package you need, you are welcome to call interactive brokers representative, and they are happy to help you to find out the best package for you. Then the next topic is to use super symbol to request historical data. Let's switch to IBridgePy Interactive and IBridgePy API documentation and switch to super symbol. You can see super symbol takes a few parameters. Based on what kind of security type you are going to use, you need to fill in some of or all of these parameters. The first one is called security type. STK means stock, OPT means option, FUT means futures, IND means index, cash is Forex, etc. You can check out IB webpage to find out the security type. Actually, we need to go to, this is the IB contract and symbol database. You can click search. Let's use SPY as an example here. I put SPY and related contracts are showed up actually. Let's go to SPY. This is the SPY I'm talking about. It offers CFD, futures, options, and stocks. Let's click it to see what's going on there. So this is the SPY I'm talking about. The symbol SPY, and this one is stock. Let's click it. So in this page, you can see that the symbol is SPY. The exchange, the primary exchange of SPY is the first one, ARCA, and there are other exchanges you can trade SPY actually. They are listed here. Security type. This one, even if it's labeled ETF, but the real security type is still stock. So that you need to put STK there. And if we go back to, let's check out futures. There are different futures with different expiration date. Let's click one. So contract type is futures, so that you need to put FUT there. Switch back to documentation. So this is security type. Symbol. After you search the IB contract and the security database, you will find out the symbol there. Currency. This is the base currency of the contract you are going to trade. As you can see in SPY, SPY can be traded using different base currencies actually at different market. For example, SPY offers USD dollar as base currency. I assume this Australian dollar. This one is Mexican currency. Even if this one is labeled as USD dollar, but it's actually traded in Singapore exchange, and you need to specify a local symbol there. Let's switch to currency exchange. Exchange is which exchange, trading exchange you really want to trade or get historical data. The default value is SMART. SMART is electronic routing system designed by IB to help traders to choose the best trading exchange sender based on different conditions. Primary exchange. Typically, you don't need to provide a primary exchange, but if you are using Smart Exchange, you must specify the primary exchange here. Expiry. If you are trading futures and options, you need to put a string expiry there. For example, just show the futures. You can go to these futures and put in this date. The format should be year, 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 month, month, and date, date. This page. Strike price. Strike price is a float. So if you are trading futures, if you are trading options, you need to provide strike price. Right. This one is for options, C for call, and P for put. Multiplier. If you go to the option page, you will find there's a multiplier you need to specify. For example, let's click options. Okay, let's choose multiplier here. This one is multiplier 100. This one is, let's go to the multiplier there, right there, multiplier. So this one is 100. You need to put it into here, and this one is a string. If you are working on expired futures and options and you still want historical data, you need to specify include expired. This one is a boolean, so you need to put that one is true. If you are trading some contracts, it needs local symbol, you need to add it there. Here, a few examples are shown. For example, if you want to trade stock, for example, this Apple company, so you can put security is stock, symbol is AAPL, base currency is USD, exchange use smart routing. However, because you are using smart routing, you need to provide primary exchange. The primary exchange of Apple is NASDAQ. You need to put there. ETF is very similar to stock. However, in this example, I provide one stock without a symbol, but it has a local symbol. It's traded in Singapore. As you see previously, S27, which is the SPY traded in Singapore exchange, its local symbol is S27. So you can do it this way. Forex, you can put cash, symbol EUR, currency USD dollar. Index, you can put IND, symbol, and base currency. Futures, you need to put security type as FUT. The symbol of E-mini SP500, for example, expiry of March 2015, you can put the symbol of E-mini is ES. The base currency of E-mini is USD dollars and traded at GlobeEX. And the expiry, you need to put year, month as a string to expiry. For option, security type is OPT and symbol is ES, which is the option of E-mini SP500, expiry of December 6th, 2016. What you need to do is put expiry there, year, month, day. So 8 digits, but it's a string there. Strike price, this is a call. And multiplier is equals to 100. Be careful, this one is a string because it's expired. So I put include expired equals to true. Structured product, you can put like this way. Then I want to give you a demo of requesting historical data of a future. So first, let's go to search SPY, and we got there are 9 futures you can trade on SPY. Then let's go to these futures to take a look. For example, I want to choose expiration on June 4th, 2020. For example, I want to use this one. What I should do is go to super symbol, change security type equals to FUT. Symbol equals to SPY. Symbol SPY. And the next I need is currency equals to USD. For future, I need expiry. Expiry should be a string, year, month should be good enough. And exchange. What's the exchange of this one? Let's take a look. Click details. The exchange is ONE1. Okay, put 1. Then switch to run me and click run. It says error message 162. Error message, no market data permissions for one FUT, and stopped. The reason for that is in my account, I didn't pay for the future for SPY. But anyway, I know I input the correct information to request historical data here because it tells me no market data. So if I made something mistake, for example, I use the old exchange name, which is GlobeEX. This is the old exchange actually for future, GLBEX, yes. If I run it this way, it will tell you no security definition has been found request for this request. GlobeEX. So which means I did something wrong on my super symbol definition so that IB just return no security definition has been found for this request. Thank you very much. For any questions, please send an email to ibridgepy@gmail.com. If you need any help on coding, please check out our well-known Run a Coder service. More tutorials are coming. Please don't forget to subscribe. IBridgePy is an easy-to-use Python platform to backtest and live trading. Thank you very much.